I know this is kind of silly to say this, but for the past 5 years since my brother's death, I've been noticing like how close birds been coming to me and my kids and stuff. Sometimes I feel like this is a sign from my brother. Come here. Come look at the bird. It's a baby bird. Oh, yeah, see how close that bird came close to me? Well, he's flying away. Sometimes I just feel that way, you know.
Mom,
Mm.
don't get up. If you take a picture of the baby bird, it will be
Come
cured.
on. I already took a picture of him. But yeah, I don't know if that's a sign from him, but I feel like that's my brother sometimes. Sending his love.